In this tutorial, you will learn about how to add new coupons to your online store. Start on the Merchant dashboard and click on Coupons. We are into the coupons list in the backend Merchant panel. To add a coupon, click Add New. Next, enter the coupon name and select whether it will be active by selecting Yes or No. Moving on to coupon type, you can create 3 different types of coupons for the customers. You can enter a fixed amount as a discount by selecting Flat Amount. Also, you can enter a percentage and enter a maximum discount amount for each order. Or you can choose the most popular discount coupon, Free Delivery. Next, enter the minimum requirement, which is the minimum purchase amount for a coupon to work. It is possible to search payment modes for coupons to work if specific, or skip this step to make coupons work on all orders. Choose a date range during which coupons will be active and one during which coupons will expire automatically. You can then select the maximum usage limit for your coupon. According to your will, you can limit number of times this discount can be used in total, as well as limit it to 1 use per account. Lastly, click Save. Your coupon is now added to the online store. Let's see how your customers can use coupons on the website. Front end. We are inside the checkout section on the website. You can find the products added in the cart for checkout. Customers will enter the coupon inside the given box. And will click Apply to avail discounts on the total amount. Now you know how to add coupons with all the essential details. Thank you for watching.